So quick little video on how to change the upper mesh grill piece on your X5. Part number here, got it from FCP Euro. It's like 50 bucks. So I originally thought these 5 screws are gonna have to be removed. It turns out you actually don't. As you can see, there's tabs. If you use your pick tool, when it's pressed in, pull back, just press this down. So as you can see here, it's not exactly down, but it's forward in. I'll pull it out. The hardest ones are on the very bottom corner. Same thing there, use it underneath, just be careful of your bumper. Push up and pull out, or pull from the outside inward. That seemed to help it release.